Hi, I'm Alison from FX Scout. So many people have the misperception that if they want to be a Forex trader, they have to have studied either finance or they must start on the trading floor. But this is not entirely correct. So whether you're a beginner trader or you're just curious about whether Forex trading might be the right path for you, stay tuned because I'm going to show you the essential steps you need to follow in order to become a successful Forex trader. Before we jump in, please remember to subscribe and like. It means that we can continue to create more free content and more videos like this. And also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get hold of us at fxscouts.com. So firstly, I want to give you a very brief explanation on what Forex trading is. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it's basically the biggest financial market in the world. And the goal of Forex trading is basically to profit from the fluctuations and price changes between the two currencies that you're trading. So have you ever traveled overseas and then bought the currency of the country that you're traveling to and then come home and sold that currency for a higher price than you bought it for? If so, then you've actually performed a successful Forex trade. Now, so many people get into Forex trading by watching random YouTube videos and by chatting to their friends, which I think is great. But I also feel like it can give you either unrealistic expectations of how to go about getting into the Forex trading space, or it can actually lead you on the wrong path altogether. So with that said, the most important part of your Forex trading journey will be to find the right broker. And these are the key things that you want to consider. You should first ensure that your broker is well regulated. What I mean by this is looking at the authorities that regulate the broker. For example, the FCA of the UK is an excellent regulator, ASIC of Australia, the European regulators, IROC of Canada, and the CFTC of the US all ensure that brokers treat their traders fairly in terms of segregating their funds from their operating capital, offering negative balance protection, and ensuring that their trades are executed without manipulation. Next, the broker should have a user-friendly platform. Platforms can be very difficult to navigate, and we suggest opening a trading account with a broker with either a proprietary platform or an easy-to-use platform like CTrader or TradingView. These platforms are very intuitive, they have great trading tools, and they often have platform tutorials so that you can get to know the platform better. A good broker also offers excellent learning resources like webinars, books, articles, videos, and they provide these resources often free of charge so that you can get a good feel for Forex trading before you put real money on the line. We also have plenty of videos on how to start with Forex trading and all the various aspects of Forex trading. So you can go look at our YouTube channel for more information, or alternatively go and look at our website at FX Scouts and a podcast that we run on a weekly basis. Next, when you're looking for a broker, look for a broker with a demo account that doesn't expire, or one that you can reopen the demo account over and over again until you feel comfortable trading in a live environment. Demo accounts simulate a live trading environment, but you do not risk real money. You are given a virtual balance of money and you can open and close trades, but it allows you to form a trading strategy and it also allows you to get to know the trading platform. You also want to choose a broker with a low minimum deposit, one that doesn't charge high trading fees. So choosing a broker that allows you to start with small sums of money and scale up as you get more experience is very important. It's also important to note the trading costs, and trading costs come in the form of a spread or a commission. Spreads of around 1 pip are reasonable, and commissions that are around $7 in exchange for a spread of 0 pips are basically the industry average. And lastly, you want to look for a broker with reliable customer support. Customer support that's available 24/5 or that's available 24/7 is very, very helpful for traders, especially when you're getting started and setting up your platform. You also want support available via many different channels, including phone, email, and preferably live chat. So once you've chosen a broker and you find that the broker satisfies the criteria we've just spoken about, how do you start trading? Well, the first tip, and definitely number one on the list, is to master a demo account. Demo accounts are your trading ground, and you want to spend many weeks or months on the demo account, practicing trading, refining a trading strategy until you are consistently profitable. Once you feel satisfied that your trading strategy is producing consistent profits, or even if you're breaking even, and you want to get into live trading, then you want to start small and scale up as you gain more experience. They always say in Forex trading, start with money that you can afford to lose. So please don't go and put your life savings on the line to start with Forex trading, even if you have found a strategy that works. Start with a small amount and work your way up as you find you become more profitable. Next, you want to focus on a few select currency pairs. The reason we say this is by focusing on only a few pairs, it means that you can really get to know these currency pairs, you get to know how they operate on the live markets, and you get to know what moves the currencies in terms of interest rate decisions, in terms of inflation, in terms of NFP data. You also get to know which commodities or which other instruments may affect the movement of these currency pairs. Another thing I want to stress here is choose currency pairs that are active during your waking hours. So if you are, for example, in Europe, then trading the Euro USD might be a good idea. Whereas if you are in Asia, trading something like the AUD JPY might be a better option because those currencies will be more active during the Tokyo session. Next, of course, you want to develop a trading plan. Now, this will, of course, dovetail with your demo account and with what currency pairs you are trading, but it is such a crucial part of being able to trade successfully and be consistently profitable. A trading plan will basically outline your technical analysis tools and indicators. It'll outline your time frames. It'll outline your signals. It'll outline your entry and your exit points, your risk management strategies, and it'll also outline your emotional control techniques. And lastly, you need to stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and don't let fear and greed take over. So there you have it. With dedication, with knowledge, and with the right trading tools, you are well on your way to becoming a Forex trader. If you have any questions about anything we've discussed in this video or any other Forex trading questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our website is kickstart.com, or alternatively contact us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. And again, please remember to subscribe and like.